big. I am a mum of 2 teenagers. I am an entrepreneur. I have a small business which operates from this little cupboard here. Today I will be showing you a tour of the shop. This used to be a little shoemaker's kiosk and it's been boarded up for the last few years. I took all the plywood out, I stripped it, and then I painted it all black. I attached some shelves to the front of the doors. So it took me about a week to do this because I didn't have any help. It's not a very big shop, so it's not going to take very long. There it is. That is the arcade. I've got the florist on the other side called the Flower Concierge, and then just opposite is my little shop there. Just love the French little awning, and I'll tell you what we've got. So here we have some lovely bows that you can wrap around the trees, and that's made by my friend Michelle. I've got my prints on the wall here, and then in front is a table that I got from a thrift shop that I painted black, and on the table are some soaps from, let me just show you, there we go, Bonnie's Bath, and they're just beautiful. They make a really great gift. And then I've got here some Liberty fabric handkerchiefs by Anna of Australia. Then just walking you through, I've got a card spinner here. I've just got these shelves that I bought from Kmart that I put up, and on here I've got some candles made by wax scent soil candles by a couple of guys, and they're selling really well. Then I've got a product by Cozy, a hand wash, hand lotion, and this beautiful room mist here, which I love, and it's not alcoholic, so you can just spray it on your face when it's hot. I wish you can smell that because it smells divine. And then I've got my Christmas cards up here, all the Trams and Melbourne Christmas cards. There's Peter. Say hello. My book spinner here. Up there is the stairs that leads up to some lawyers and accountants and engineers. Behind here is some extra space which I'll walk you around. Come around here, and then you've got this door which usually closes at night time, like this. I can open it up. What I've done is I've just attached some card holders here. Let me just go further out, and I've got my cards, more extra cards there. So I've got my football cards and my Melbourne cards and my boys cards. And then walking into this side of the store, I'm going to build this up as a card library. So I've got boxes where I've got birthday cards and funny quote cards and sports cards. And then I've got lots of, there's my postcards here. Then I've got a whole lot of shelving here where I have to pack everything away. Everything goes into the boxes after, when the shop closes. I put everything away here. Alright, now walking back, we've got into the cupboard. So that window there, I've built the hinge window, and then I just open my little cupboard here and walk inside. Got a little window here that I can see through to the other side, but there's a wall here so I can't actually go through. Then yeah, turning around, that's the other side of the window. I have hung some socks on this side here, yeah, which is really useful. I have to hang some more products up here, which I've just got some Christmas candies at the moment. Then I have got my laptop on the counter where I can edit my YouTube videos when it's quiet. I've got some more storage down there, which is great. Just coming around here, I have set up a couple of little containers that I could put all my little things in, like chargers. But I've got PowerPoint there, and then just swinging back here, I've just got some more showings, which is really messy at the moment. All my stuff here, like the pricing gun and my tools, and then some more storage down there. And that's it for the little small shop. I think it's not a very big tour because it's a tiny shop, but thanks for watching, and if you like this, please subscribe down below, leave me a thumbs up and a comment on what other videos you would like me to make.